Welcome to Solver Phi.
Hi, here in this given problem, first of all we draw the geographic directions north, south, east and west. Spelunker starts his motion from this origin, suppose, then his displacements, various displacements are shown here. First of all, he moves due north from O to A, 75.0 meter. Then from A to B, 250 meters due east. Then turns 30 degree north of east and moves for 125 meter at an angle of 30 degree. Then moves straight towards south for a distance 150 meter like this. So this is O to A, then A to B, then B to C, and this is C to D. And this direction, that is given as 30 degree. The distance is 75 meter, 75.0 meter, 250 meter, 125 meter, and finally 150 meter. So to find the net displacement, we shift this east here. Okay, so to find the net displacement means position of the K, we use component method. So first of all the distances moved by Spelunker are as drawn here. So for this position of the K, horizontal component Rx, that will be given by AB plus horizontal component of BC, means BC cos 30 degree, means this is 250 plus 125 cos 30 degree, and it is calculated to be equal to 358.25 meter. Then for its vertical component, means component due north south, first of all OA, then vertical component of this BC, and to find this from 150 from CD, AO and vertical component of BC will be subtracted. So that is CD minus OA plus BC sine 30 degree. So here it is 150 meter minus 75 plus 125 sine 30 degree, and it is calculated to be equal to 12.5 meter. So the net displacement will be given by magnitude of this displacement using Pythagoras theorem, that is square root of Rx square plus Ry square, means this is square of 358.25 plus square of 12.5, and it is calculated to be equal to 358.47 meter, magnitude of the position of the K from the starting point. Then its direction, for direction we use tan theta is equal to Ry by Rx, means 12.5 divided by 358.25, calculated to be equal to 0.0349, or this theta will be given by tan inverse of 0.0349, and it is calculated to be equal to 1.998 degree or near about 2.0 degree, and that is south of east. Second answer for this given problem here. Thank you.